Hello everyone, thank you for coming back to Patty's Hobby World. Hopefully everyone has gotten something to eat, got lunch, took a little break, got something to drink. I hope you got yourself something to drink. So as you see, I kind of almost finished the rocks. The all these rocks. Took 4 or 5 markers. You see a little bit of yellow. The yellow will come into play when we do the background. We create this um, sunset. Okay, so that's what I did. 4 pencils. I mean 4 watercolors, some alcohol. So now we're going to work on these pillars. Now I was going to do the pillars brown, but I said no, it's going to be too much. It's going to be too much. So we're going to do these green for the sake of it being a mystical kind of thing. And we can do what we want. So I'm glad that you guys came back. And here's another one. And we're just going to get the base color in. And then we'll go and create the shadowing and the depth and really make these things pop. I don't know what that noise is. I made a boo-boo here, but I can fix it. So we're going to create these pillars in green. Come over here. I'm just going to color this corn for the sake of coloring it. I'm just getting the base color down. Okay. Here's another one here. Very muggy day today, but the sun is out. I left these because I may want to wrap them in like a brick red. So I left them out for just a little while. Now, I don't know what this is right here, but I think I'm just going to what is that right there? Is it one of these? Okay. All right, let's just color it in. Let's get the base color down. So I'm using watercolors. So they flow pretty nice. Okay. All right, so I think that's all of them. And we're going to make his castle green as well. So we might as well do this as well. But I'm going to be careful because this detail, I really want to work the detail just to create some more character. Like I said, I saw one of these. They did it at night. It was beautiful. It was like a nighttime scene. A lot of blues. So I thought that was cool. as we move around this guy, things will come. See, there's some rocks back there, so I've got to get those. There's some rocks back there as well. That's the front door. That's a pillar. I think that's a pillar made of rock, so we just have to be careful. We can always go back in, that's no problem. And change that to brown. He's standing on something, I don't know what that is. So and there's some more rock back there. More rock. This is beautiful. A little space in between. I'm going to wait on the front door for just a minute. I haven't decided what I'm going to do in here. I may do it black. I may do it red. I think I'm going to do it black. But we'll see. Right now we just have to get the it's a little bit of the rock. I'll touch that. I'll get these rocks in. Because it looks like this thing has been built in the rocks. Oh, that doesn't look too bad. It's underneath. Checking around, seeing what we got. Seeing where we're at. I think that's rock. More rock. Okay. And then don't forget we got the 3 faces. That's going to be fun right there. We're doing those last. Let's see. No, I'm going to go ahead and color this in because I think we're okay. I see a little bit of work there. Now I'm shading this end up, but it's going to get another coat, that's for sure. When you're working with watercolors, you can be a little bit more liberal sometimes, especially with this magnitude of a picture. I mean, I can use crayons, my colored pencils. Can definitely do that, but I think the watercolor is going to work out just fine. I may touch up with pencils. We'll see how that goes. All right, so that is phase one. I used a light green, true green, leaf green, lime green, because it looks a little limey. So the next we're going to go to is the next shade darker. So I've already pulled my markers out, but I just want to test. So we got this one. I think it's this one. What do you think, guys? Out of this, I think it's this one. So let's just see. Yeah, that looks like it. And then I just want to check this one. Okay, that's a little too dark for right now. And then this one is way too dark. All right, so let's keep these out. Move this over. And then we're going to take this one and let me just check the time. I may have to turn the light on because it's getting a little dark. Okay, there you go. How's that? Oh, that looks good already. All right, so now we have to do the green. We're going to remember where all the highlighting areas are. So let's just take this one for sake. So let's remember we're finding where the shadows are. Okay. We're going to go another darker, so don't worry. I'm not too worried about straight lines because this is a piece of, I'm assuming, let's just assume that it's wood. And just go in and and I'll work these more. I'm just trying to get the base down. I'm not much of a green user unless I'm coloring leaves. So this is going to be like a kind of first for me. Let's play with these lines in here. To use green for a structure. Oh. I may bring some pencil in just to smooth those out. I can bring a pencil and kind of shade it out a little bit more. I don't want to do too much of that because that's kind of like in the sky. Let's go back here in the corner. Let's get her. Yeah, I may use a little green pencil. Okay. That's starting to look good. So near this rock. I don't want to do too much. Don't forget the light. Watch your lighting. everything is rough out here in this wilderness. I don't know. Are we in the Amazon rainforest? In a clearing, or in the forest, and we've come upon this beautiful structure, this temple that obviously worships these three animals, you think? Be careful up there because that's where the light is. Be very careful how we get inside. Okay. Look at that. Turn that. I've got to turn this around so I can look at it. But let's get in here. Just a little. Don't forget, there's plenty of light up here. So we don't want too much marker. Just a little bit. I'm going to bring the original marker out. Sometimes the original marker can help shade as well without doing too much. Just give it a second shade. And then let it dry. Just give it a minute to dry. Let's see what that looks like. It's almost time to go. All right, that doesn't look too bad. That doesn't look too bad at all. We got more work to do because we've got to really make those structures. They're still too light, so we want to darken them even more. Even more, even more, even more. So. Kind of keep creating a more deeper green. I like the light green, but that's just the base, so we got to continue to bring that tone down. Tone it down a little bit with the green. But I like it. It's pretty. So far, so good. All right. I'm going to finish the green up, and then we'll get the next time we come back, we'll get the 3 heads. Okay. So thank you again for stopping by my channel. Always stay inspired. And color, color, color. Thank you.